Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with MailerLite email marketing platform, my simple campaign experience. MailerLite email marketing platform offers a simplified approach to email marketing, primarily targeting small businesses and individuals who want to create and manage email campaigns without the complexity of larger platforms. Key features likely include email design templates, subscriber management, automation, and basic analytics. Their website provides details on their various plans and pricing. MailerLite emphasizes ease of use and affordability, with a free plan available for those just starting out. They also highlight their intuitive drag-and-drop editor and robust automation features, making it easy to create professional-looking emails and automate marketing workflows. While they may not have the advanced features of some competitors, their focus is on providing a simple and effective solution without hidden fees or contracts. Availability is generally worldwide, and you can check their website for specific details. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using MailerLite email marketing platform. Getting started was incredibly easy. I signed up for the free plan and within minutes, I was navigating the dashboard. The interface is clean and uncluttered, making it simple to find what you need. I used their drag-and-drop editor to create a welcome email for new subscribers, and I was really impressed by how intuitive it was. I could easily add text, images, and even personalize the emails with subscriber data. Setting up an automated welcome sequence was also a breeze, thanks to their clear and concise automation builder. In terms of performance, I haven't encountered any issues with email deliverability, and the reporting dashboard provides basic but helpful insights into open and click-through rates. I did have a quick question about integrating with another service, and their support responded within a day via email with a helpful answer and a link to their documentation. One minor drawback was the lack of a built-in landing page builder in the free plan, but it's available in their paid plans. The standout feature for me was definitely the drag-and-drop editor. It saved me a lot of time and effort compared to coding emails from scratch. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with MailerLite. It's a great option for anyone looking for a simple and affordable email marketing platform, especially those just getting started. That's my overview of MailerLite email marketing platform, my simple campaign experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tech for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.